Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to share my journey as a Mern intern at WSA Academy. This internship has been an incredible learning experience, and I'm grateful for the knowledge and skills I have gained throughout this period. During my time at Webstack Academy, I had the opportunity to work on a food delivery application project. Through this project, I learned how to develop a full stack web application using the Mern stack, which consists of MongoDB, React.js, and Node.js. I want to take a moment to thank my mentors and colleagues like Rohit Kumar sir at Webstack Academy for their support and guidance. Now, let's dive into a demo of the food delivery app where I will walk you through the various features and I worked on, including food managing menus and items, authentication, cart management, payment integration using Stripe. According to the first feature I developed was managing the restaurant's food items and menus. When users first launching into this website, they will greeted with a comprehensive list of various restaurants. So, as Rohit sir taught, we were built the pure veg and this is a sorting of the restaurants by pure veg, sort by review and sort by ratings. While we clicking on show all, the all types of restaurants will be visible here. So also we added the extra feature like how many restaurants we currently having in this portal. So we can add extra of restaurants based on the MongoDB database. So here I will show the code for developed the food items. So we have the navigate to root users login while the add to cart handler with like if we going to any restaurant page and click on that, we will see the menus and the food items that are available in this. So while we clicking on the add to cart, it will go to the login page as we will not give any login authentication. It asks for the login. So we will going to see the authentication page also in this video how it was built and how it was done. So and here we can see that if the food item is in stock, it will shown in the green color and either it is red color. So it is the header like for all the pages of this website, the header was included, and this is the count restaurant that will be available in the home page. So this is the header like sort by review, sort by ratings code. We will see the various codes also. So as I'm showing the full codes, let me show the demo also. Okay, this is the way we are adding the restaurants and here we can see like 250 reviews, 147 reviews like that. How many reviews it is added. So we also once we log in, we also give a chance to review and rating. And let's go to the next feature that we built. Okay, now as we completed the process of taken over like day 15 to 20, like first 15 days we see the introduction part like html css and the jss dom project model, and after 15th day only we started the development of the project food delivery application. So at the first phase, we completed the pure veg, like sorting the items, and now I would like to enter into the authentication page. So it is done by like tokens, and the logging processes are JWT tokens. The authentication was essential, like no only registered users could place orders like that. So it is a secured authentication that managed by the dispatchers and reducers. So here the users folder, we will given the full authentication setup code for the login, and the if the user was new, here is the register code that will takes the phone number and password, and creates the new user. So this user will be, once registered, the details all will caught up into the database, and next time the user was identified. Okay, now though here we will see like, while clicking on new user where the page want to navigate, so sign up page will become. So let's show me the demo of this. Like here we will given the email password, like some condition like not less than 8 character, and forgot password page and the new user. So new user page is nothing but like, the registration page. So here we will give some details, and after we will click on the register button, and it will navigate to the login to page. So as I already registered, I will log in directly. So here you can see my profile. Oh, let me show the demo of the how the though here we give a logout option, and while we click on logon, how the forgot password page will be worked out. So we will enter the email. So this page will maintain by fully the mail strap. Like while we click on send email, we can see the, so this is the mail I got while developing the project. Now here we got the forgot password link. Like this is the reset password link for us to reset our password. While we clicking on reset password, we will give the new password and confirm password. So as I'm not going to change any password, so I will remaining as it is. So this is the demo for the how to reset the password while clicking on the forgot password. After the reset password feature, I would like to show the edit profile option. Like, in our code we have written as the update profile. While we clicking on the profile, it says welcome Yaneshwari and thing called how, when we I joined, and my details. So and while I will clicking on the edit option, we will change the email, and the this was the inputs while we given the on the new register page. So here we can upload the images part, like our profile picture, what we would like to show. So while clicking on the update, it says user updated successfully like that. And let me show the how it was implemented on the code content of these cart items. Yeah, here this and all the inbuilt codes that I downloaded as it is from the learning management portal. So here the code to add the cart items and the increasing of the cart, and also this is the full order success, like while we completed the payment, the this code will be managed the session of remaining. And now we will click on any restaurants, like I will like to show the how the cart items will be work out. So here I will click the add to cart. It shows like your item is added into the cart like that. And here the count of the cart items will be increased as we give the another card to cart. Here we can see the cart item increased to 2. So while clicking on the checkout, it will be ask for payment and some things to deliver the food. So so that is, I would like to show the how the card items and added into the, so it will be perform only when will we log in into this portal. The next thing we will done during this internship is the payment phase, like how would you we will manage the payment using this type. um yeah, it is portable and reliable to the new beginners. So while we clicking on the profile column and the orders menu, these are all the tables that shows the list of orders we will taken on, and the payment status here is it is processing like that. In cart items, if we want to order any items, you will click on the checkout, and now it will go to the stripe to make the payment. Here we will enter our shipping details and the another details and all. It will securely pay, and once the payment was completed, the food is ready to deliver, as we has didn't mention any location and part and all. It is the only the way to make our payment on our orders. So we will go back, and the next thing is orders. Here we will show once the payment was finished. Here we can see the order items which all we process in delivered, and here the action button, it shows the what are the details we are given on the payment phase, and the order date is the thing like why it was the date of development this page to check the whether it is running correct or not. So here is the code that manage here the managing the cart items. Once the cart items are filled and it's given on the checkout button, here we can see the checkout handler. In checkout handler code, we will give the stripe code. So let me show the main thing of the these and all managed by the, yeah, here the config dot env file. So these are all the keys that, so this and all duplicate only, so no issues. So for the email, to send forgot mail reset password link, we will use the mail trap here, and the cloudinary phase here to manage the items. So the front end URL is in which URL port the website need to be launched in localhost. So now we will see about working of website with a brief overview that is provided by our platform. So by this I understand the working of a website. So first we need to know about the server and client. So server is a type of computer where all files and data for the website is stored. Client are those systems which receives information from the server. For this situation, your browser is your client. So when we enter a URL into our browser's address bar, a series of steps unfolds to bring up the website page that we intend to view. So here this is the breakdown of the process in simplified manner. When we use a web browser like Chrome or Firefox and enter your URL, the browser's journey begins. It takes the URL that we have provided and takes it to the domain name system server. So the DNS server is like a digital translator that converts the human friendly URL into a unique IP address, a numerical identifier that computers use to locate one another on the internet. With this translated IP address in hand, the browser heads off to find the web server that holds the websites, the entire data, like the think of the web server as a virtual storage unit, all the files that make up the website it will contain, from text and images to videos and scripts. So having the located the correct web server using the IP address, the browser sends a request essentially asking, like in HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, it asks for, hey, can I have access to the website please, like that. The web server responds typically with a reassuring OK 200 message granting permission. The web server starts to package up the various pieces of the website, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and more, into neat little data packets. These data packets are like the digital building blocks of the web page. When the data packets reach your browser, they are like pieces of your puzzle that need to be put together. The browser starts assembling them following the precise instructions outlined in the HTML, CSS, and JS files. As the packets are assembled, the web page takes shape before our eyes. Text appears, images load, and interactive elements respond to your clicks and taps. It's the culmination of all the server's hard work and the browser's clever interpretation. So, this material, I would like to inform that it gained a beautiful knowledge how the website working. So, in this video, I'd like to tell the about this content that interested on more to read this. So, like in this, I will know about how the IP address is important and how it will be worked on, and the interaction between the client and server. In conclusion, My internship at Webstack Academy has been a transformative experience that significantly enhanced my technical skills in full stack development using Mern Stack. I gained hands on experience in building a dynamic web application, managing complex data, and integrating secure authentication and payment systems. So, I want to extend a special thank you to Rohit Kumar sir for his valuable guidance throughout this journey. I also greatly benefited from the recorded sessions provided by the Academy. On days when I couldn't attend the online session live, having access to these recordings allowed me to catch up on missed content and revisit complex topics at my own pace. So, this flexibility ensured that I could stay on track with my learning goals and fully understand the material regardless of any scheduling conflicts. So, the support I received from the discussion forum was another highlight of my experience. Whenever I faced challenges or had questions, the forum provided clear and prompt answers, helping me overcome obstacles quickly and continue progressing in my projects. So, overall, this internship has equipped me with the skills and confidence needed to excel in my future career as a software developer. I'm excited to apply what I have learned to future projects and continue growing in the field. Thank you to Webstack Academy and the mentor who were all involved for this incredible opportunity. Thank you all for your attention.